Hi everybody, my name's Jonathan and I'm the creator of the time logging extension for Azure DevOps, and I'm really excited today to show you how simple it is to extract your time log data using the time log REST API. What we're going to use is Excel and Power Query. So within Excel, under the data menu, you've got get data from other sources and then from web. This gives you a new window and we'll look at the advanced options. In here we need to put the address of the TimeLog REST API. So the first bit we need is the root address. You then need your business ID, which is in the top right hand corner of the TimeLog admin page. You then need the path, so we're going to look at querying data for the month of October. So that is the TimeLog query path. We then need to add the query. So the first query parameter starts with a question mark, and we'll use from date 2023 10:01, and then all other parameters start with the ampersand. So to date equals 2023 10-31. You also need to add your API key to the header. This uses the header key of X function key, and then your API key will be provided, but for evaluation we'll use the evaluation one, and that's it. So this will query all data for the month of October. Let's go. So here's the data, 7 records. We'll turn it into a table, and then we'll expand the columns. We don't want all the columns, so I'll quickly hide the ones we don't want. As you can see, there's all the data is available to you, but you can hide what you don't want. Okay, so we've got the data we need, but most users want to work in hours, so we'll convert the minutes to hours. Simple enough. Add a column, standard, divide 60. And there's our new column. We'll rename it to something sensible. Hours. And we're done. So we've extracted all data for the month of October using Power Query. And now we'll put this into the Excel worksheet. So home, close, close and load. And there's our data. So now we can do whatever we want. So say we want to put a pivot table. So insert, pivot table. And we want to know how much each user logged. So username, hours, but we want to know within type. So review, video reproduction by user, or we want to know user and then type. And that's as easy as that. And just to show it is working live, I'll add another time log entry. So if I quickly go to the time log page and add a new time log record, so I'm going to add 4 hours video production for today. Click add. So we've now added that. If we go back to Excel and refresh, we've got the extra row, the 4 hours video production for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.